So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn that how you can create a full stack chat mobile application where you have all the features, like it will contain the online offline feature, last scene feature, chat settings, and everything you can imagine in a chat mobile application. Okay, and that is a full stack mobile chat application. You can see that this is my anime type mobile application. I am showing you that is live on Play Store, and that is why it is showing the main and production mode. Okay, the production mode is enabled, and here I will show you that you can see that I am directly sharing posts from the feed. This is the feed page. I am not showing you another or anything else. I am working on the feed page currently, and you can see that there is a share option, and using this share option you can directly share some post or some reels, some videos like this in your friends chat group, in group, or only single chat, private chat. Okay, you can directly send video videos, YouTube videos, etc. if available in post. And now also you can share a photo, etc. Okay, and this is the message only for another person. Okay, this is message only for another person, but also we have so many features, that's why it is not possible to show all of them in one screen. That's why I have hide already the items that is here available. Okay, so you can see that last in actual time it will show. Okay, there are some conditional visibility, some custom functions, and everything here. Okay, you can see that I am showing you, I have already shown you live that what features we have in your mobile application. You can see that your last message is seen or not, it is also available if the user is scrolling up and he or she has many messages or chats in the chat. So if you click on this, then directly you will be here at the bottom. If you click on this button, then you will directly be redirected to the bottom of the page. Okay, also if you click on the send button, then a notification, single notification will be sent to the person you are messaging. Also if you click here, you will be directly redirected to the profile of the person. Okay, if you click here, you will get some settings that I have already shown you. There are several pages and components. You can see that if in your main chat page, the people who are online there will be available. If they are online, it will show, and if they are not online or have changed their chat settings, like privacy settings, then you will not be able to see. Okay, if they are online or not. Also there are chat settings, there are group chats and everything. So let me know that if you want this mobile application, then you can try. This is on Play Store, I have already told you, and also there is I have shared the link in my description. Also if you want, then you can also use my website animetype.site currently, and I change my domain sometimes, but now this is animetype.site. And if you want this full stack chat application, then let me know in comments. Only then I will make this mobile series, mobile chat app series. Also I need at least 1000 subscribers, that is currently 600 and something. I need at least 1000 subscribers, and then I will post the complete series. And that is not that I will not post any video. Yeah, I will start it, but yeah, I need subscribers because it motivates me, so I can get some, and so I will be motivated, and I will make some time to create this type of videos. Okay, if you really want this, then comment and subscribe, because subscribers are very important for our channel's growth. And thanks for watching. And if you are going to create such things, such apps like this, then there is my social media series. I am currently working on my mobile application, and also I will complete the social media series, but currently I am specifically creating a chat application where you can see that every possible feature are available in this chat application. Okay, chat settings and everything. So if you want a video like this, video series like this, a complete series, then you have to subscribe and like this video for better engagement, better reach, and comment for the same. So thank you for watching, and see you in the chat mobile application series complete for only you. Thanks for watching, and see you.